Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our ice cream beauty box, and this is for the month of November, okay? For those of you who are not familiar with the ice cream beauty box, this one right here is all the gorgeous beauty products that you would love. Beauty as in makeup, cosmetics type. Okay, so the rest of the information will be down below. I will tell you this, it's $25 per month and it's free shipping, and it's worth every dime over and over again. All right, so without further delay, let's just open it up and see what's on the inside of the box. Okay, now first of all, it seems as if this long lost art of a description card has gone by the way. However, not with this box. Okay, so I have the items here. Now I do want to tell you, I think I might need to correct one thing. There have been a couple times that there have been brushes in this box. Y'all know I don't mind about that at all, but just so you know, want to make sure we remain clear. So our theme for this month is called Friendsgiving. All right, well, the first item that we have is by the company Mirabella. Okay, and this one is a retinol replenishing serum by Mirabella Beauty. And it says, unleash the power of retinol in your beauty routine. Retinol is one of, if not the most recommended product by dermatologists for anti-aging. It can help reduce wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, and even acne. We are including this serum with 0.5% retinol, which is perfect for anyone who has never used retinol. It can be drying on the skin, so if you have sensitive or dry skin, we recommend using moisturizer before and after application. If you are new to using retinol, only use 1 to 2 times per week at night and gradually increase usage. Okay, now the manufacturer suggested retail price for this product right here is $28. Now this one is a 1 fluid ounce size, and although Ice Cream Beauty is a beauty box, I'm a little surprised, but there's a reason, I'm sure, why this is here. Okay, it says replenish and restore multi-peptide serum. All right, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. This one has a, not bad, a 12-month shelf life. Okay, and it says formulated with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It is antioxidant rich, and it says because beauty is a lifestyle, this product is a lifestyle. How about that? Okay. So I'm very interested to try this, and I'm loving the fact that it has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, so that is item number 1. Then the next item that we have is by ZEESEA Cosmetics, and it looks like this. Now, we did receive a ZEESEA product a couple months back, and that one was indeed a lippy, a very beautiful lippy at that. And this is called Cherry Red, and this is a liquid liner. And it says, eyeliners can be a fun way to add a pop of color to any natural eye look. Create sharp, defined lines with the precision tip. You can go thin or subtle, or you can create a dramatic wing. And the manufacturer suggested price for this one is $24, okay? All right, give me a minute. This one is truly, truly sealed, okay? Which I'm not mad at, except right now when I need to show it to you. Now, this one says, living colorfully, all right? And this is what the inside packaging looks like. Okay, now this one is a 0.5 gram size, and it does have a 6-month shelf life, okay? Y'all know how they are. Once you open it, hurry up and use it before it dries out, okay? So that's this one right here, and y'all know we will, when we get to the end, we will swatch them, okay? I'm just not sure about a red eyeliner. I think that would be quite different for me, but we'll see. We will see in the end if this is one that we will be swatching right now. Okay, so that is item number 2. The next item that we have is quite beautiful. Quite beautiful. I'm very excited about this one. I received this product a couple months ago in a different shade. This one is the Loose Duochrome Pigment, and this is by Beauty Moon Cosmetics, okay? This is a loose pigment that can be used as a highlighter, an eyeshadow, or an eyeshadow topper. It's great for use in the inner corners and to highlight your brow bone. It is shimmery, but does not require any glue to hold in place. This is launching in our box exclusively, but will also be available on the Beauty Moon website, okay? All right, now I don't know if you can really see this here. I do hope the camera is doing it justice, but this is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous, okay? So yes, I think I'll be swatching this one at the end as well. Now this one has a manufacturer suggested retail price of $8. And y'all know shimmery eyeshadows go a long way. Well, eyeshadows period go a long way, but let's see about this one as well. So that one is item number 3. Okay, and the next item we have, which is item number 4, is by Delancey Cosmetics, and this is the outer packaging, okay? And it says this is a powder blush, and it's an affordable blush that is perfect to take with you on the go. Did you know that you can use blush for more than just your cheeks? Try adding a small amount of blush to your hairline and on your nose for a trendy look. All right, now let's see what it looks like. That, of course, was the outer packaging. This is the inside packaging, which looks exactly the same. Okay. This is the second. I don't know if I'm getting a hint here that maybe I need to wear this shade more often or what. But this one is a peachy shade. This one, it just gives us the number 03. But the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $10. Now, I do hope that you can see this shade well, because it really is beautiful. It's very beautiful. And this one is a 0.42 gram size. And it also has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, This is really, really pretty. Really pretty. All right. Now, because they put a minimum of 5 items in, the last item in our box is by Saints, Angel, Sinners Cosmetics, okay? And this is what this one looks like. And this is the Friendsgiving palette. It says, our collaboration palette with SAS is here. Introducing the Friendsgiving palette. This palette features a versatile selection of 5 mesmerizing duochrome shades, 1 lustrous shimmer shade, and 6 rich pigmented mattes. Did y'all get that? That's 12 shades in here. Okay? And it says, this thoughtfully themed palette is perfect for celebrating togetherness and gratitude. Embrace the spirit of friendship and Thanksgiving. Use a black base under the lighter duochromes to enhance their effect. Now, isn't that nicely put? Because we did actually receive a black primer or black base in this box just a couple months ago, okay? So let's take a look at it. On here it says, a true friend accepts you for who you are and helps you become who you want to be. All right, that is the outer packaging. The inside looks exactly the same. All right, now this one is a cruelty-free product with a 12-month shelf life as well. So let's just go ahead and take a look. Oh, these are gorgeous. Okay, and I'm just going to cover the mirror. Yes, it does have a mirror included. And I want to take this plastic off so there is no interference in seeing these shades. Look at this. Now that is what I call a beautiful array of shades. Okay? Very, very useful this time of year because they have beautiful shades that can be worn during the fall and winter months. Now, it's really cute, the names. There's Sugar Cookie, Cranberry, Besties, Burnt, Veggies, Pumpkin Pie, Jello, Mold, Olives, Stuffing, Friendship, Soul Sisters, and Martini. Okay, you probably could do a complete look with this one. Okay, I mean, right down to using this one, you know, to really smoke it out on that lash line. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, now the manufacturer suggested retail price for this palette is $50. Okay, but remember, it's also 12 palettes inside. 12 palettes. It's also 12 pans inside of this. 12 beautiful shades in these pans. Okay, so what do you think? What are we thinking? Are we loving this? Is it just okay or what? I'm just very, very interested in this. So what we're going to do, we've reached the end. So of course, I wait until the end to swatch. So we're not getting our eyeshadows, lipsticks, whatever, all over the place. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, of course, we're going to swatch our blush. Okay, so we've gone ahead and swatched our goodies that were in here this month. Okay, first of all, this is our blush right here. Very nice. Now, I don't know how well you can see this shimmer right here, but that one is our duochrome. Okay, and then these are our shades from our Friendsgiving palette. Okay, the first shade that we have here is Sugar Cookie. That's this one here. The next one is cranberry. Then we have olives. And this beautiful brown right here is called martini. What do you think? Absolutely gorgeous, okay? I did not spray them. This was just one pass. So this right here is absolutely and utterly gorgeous, okay? Very, very pigmented and definitely ready to be used, okay? So what do you think? What are your thoughts? Okay, it's getting a little warm in here. Can you tell? Okay, but we're just about done. Let me know what your thoughts are. Everything that was in this box, I'm here for. I'm absolutely here for. This palette is gorgeous. The blush is gorgeous. And in all honesty, I probably should have even swatched over top of that blush with this duochrome so we could really get a good look at it as a topper. But we've done those. You know what? Let's just go ahead and swatch the liner. Since we're swatching, let's just do it, okay? Oh my God. Look at that. I could so appreciate that right now. Oh my God, that is gorgeous. Okay, ZEESEA, I'm here for it. Okay, so if you had not heard of Ice Cream Beauty Box until now and saw this, and knowing that we also have a serum, is it something that would make you consider getting this box? How many beauty boxes do we have with full-size products that are running us $25, and that includes your shipping? Can somebody tell me? Just asking. Okay, so I'm not mad at it. I love what I received. I'm here for it. I think I may very well be doing a look on Thanksgiving from this. I love it, okay? So I just want to tell you, thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our November Ice Cream Beauty Box, okay? Now, these are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included, okay? Now, if you're not a part of the Seasoned Beauties family, what are you waiting for? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the family. We'd be more than happy to have you, okay? And most importantly, after you share it, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.